Hello, my name is Malinda Jones, and today I will be discussing fraction circles. This particular math manipulative can be used from grade levels 1st grade through 4th grade and beyond. It fits with the Common Core standard of geometry, where students need to be able to understand fractions from 1 whole through 1/12. In the earlier grades, they don't go as far as 1/12. They primarily deal with 1 whole through 1/3 or 1/4. But for this particular activity today, I have fraction circles from 1 whole until 1/12. Fraction circles can be used for various different reasons. You can have students order fraction circles from smallest to the largest. You can also have students use fraction circles to assist them with adding fractions. For my particular use today, I didn't have access to a standard set of fraction circles, so I used a paper plate and also various colors of construction paper to help me with this activity. As you can see here in front of me, I have various colors of fraction circles from 1 whole, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, 1/6, 1/8, 1/10, and 1/12. I use different colors so that the students would have something bright to look at, and also so that you can see the very difference in size between 1/6, for example, and 1/3. This is a very good way for students to be able to visualize fractions, because sometimes students have the tendency to want to think that a fraction such as 1/2 is smaller than 1/5 because 5 is on the denominator. But as you can clearly see, 1/5 is a lot smaller than 1/2. With fraction circles, as I said, you can have students order them, and they will see, how they relate to one another. Also, you can have students to add them. For example, you can add to find out what would be equivalent. I can say 1/3 is equal to 1/6 plus 1/6. Or I can have the problem such as 2/4 plus 4/8 is equal to 1 whole. I also feel that using this particular manipulative would be something great to let the students create on their own. That would help them to truly understand and take ownership of fractions. Also, you can buy these these fraction circles in a kit, and usually they are magnetic and they will stick to your board. So you can have the students come up there and place them up there on the board. So I think that the fraction circles is an awesome way to help your students in your classroom to understand fractions, to add fractions, and to see equivalencies between fractions. Thank you and have a nice day.